Simple Satay Chicken Stir-Fry. This quick stir-fry is made with 4 ingredients: chicken breast fillets, traditional stir-fry mix, a satay simmer sauce and Hokkien noodles. It's ready to serve hot from the wok in 20 minutes. To get started, cut the chicken into 3 cm pieces. Heat a large greased wok or frying pan over high heat. Stir-fry half the chicken for 5 minutes or until cooked through. Transfer to a heatproof bowl. Repeat with remaining chicken. Return the chicken to the wok or pan with the stir-fry mix. Stir-fry for 2 minutes or until the vegetables are just tender. Add the simmer sauce and stir-fry for 1 minute or until heated through. Meanwhile, cook the noodles in a saucepan of boiling water for 4 minutes or until separated and tender. Then drain. Divide the noodles and stir-fry among serving bowls and serve. Love satay? Give this 4-ingredient chicken stir-fry a go. It's an easy and tasty meal for 4. For the full recipe, see the description below.